Today we are going to learn about Balinese swear words, KATA-KATA KENYAT or KATA-KATA Jalay. Now the general impression is that the Balinese very sweet-natured and spend a lot of time on the beach having hula lessons. Now, in fact, there is another side to the Balinese who are given to profanities, either jesting or sometimes quite serious because they are a bit short-tempered when accused falsely. So here are a few examples of swear words, after which I will translate.
KATA-KATA,
KATA-KATA, which means I will penetrate your bottom.
nas kleng chi,
Kleng or kleng chi nane. Kleng refers to the glands, the upper part of the penis, as in nas kleng. Kleng is the abbreviation and is used as an expression of disgust. It can also be used in jest, like kleng, or it can be kleng.
jagur chang chi,
Called jagur nas chi, nas nyai for the female, means I will smash your head.
chek na chi,
Chitik nas chi means I will poison your head. Nas is often used in a friendly way, like komatiang nasne, lapor nasne, I will report his head, meaning I will report this person.
pang sedot bong chi jak naga gadang,
Sadot bong chi kan naga gadang. The naga gadang is the green dragon of mythology, who famously comes out at night to suck the blood out of the neck of people who have erred in spiritual matters. An example being not respecting the setback in hotels.
jenang nyai,
Janang is a person's face or facial features, like sabang, sabang maju, sabang manying, the shit face, or the spoiled face. Janang chi or janang nyai is just a spitting sort of swear word, which means you fucker.